You may grill with ease on the Thermador Professional Range Top without flare-ups. The electric elements provide heat to both the nonstick grates and ceramic briquettes that closely resemble cooking on an outdoor grill without the smoke and arduous cleanup. There are two independently controlled heating elements when cooking items requiring different temperatures, such as proteins and vegetables. When cooking fish, heat the grate for at least 8 minutes. Clean the grate with a grill brush. Season and oil the fish. Carefully place onto the heated grill and cook until the sides of the fish change color. Use a spatula to carefully turn the fish and continue cooking for a few minutes, then plate with your favorite side dishes.